Okay. Let's see. Oh, I got it working. Let's go. Hey, yo. Can you guys hear? I'm on YouTube today. Hey, yo. Anyone? Finger crossed. Okay. Yo. Can you hear me? Oh, you're using YouTube. Perfect. Last time, I mean, probably the two last time, I totally forget to activate YouTube. I did a plugin on OBS so that I can do it. And yeah, it should be working. Man, I hate to have two platforms at once. It's already so hard to stream on one. Okay, I think we're good. Right on time. Y'a pas de caméra. Non. Ils t'entendent par contre. Je pense qu'ils t'entendent. Ouais. Alright, do we have some people on Twitch too? Just making sure it's working. YouTube is working. Is Twitch working? I'm going to do a post on Discord and X so that we can start. Hey. Up. There you go. You know what? Let's be super lazy. I'm just going to say going live with the link. That should do the trick. All right. Let's wait just a few minutes so that people can see the posts and we're good to go. I need to change the thumbnail on Twitch. Maybe I can put the new portfolio. Or my face. I don't know. So, let's go. Yo Bobo, Bobo la frappo. Spy Ninja, what's up? Let me check. There is no private info, no keys. Okay, all good. All good. Voilà. I think I don't need this. Yeah, I can close that. Let's go. So, how many projects today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fois 4, 20, 21. Only 21? Oh no, never mind. 26. I was expecting a lot less project. I mean, the last time we had how do you say? A prize. A prize? A prize. I think we said a prize. The winner is coming to the 3GS conference with this project, Dama. I don't know if you're here, Dama. But yeah, I will see Dama at the 3GS conference in Paris in 2 months. Yeah, exactly 2 months. Today is the 10th. Today is a big day. My nephew is going to have his brevet result. I don't know how you say it, like international word for it. Like it's like a teenage exam. And we worked so hard on it. I think I'm more stressed and hyped for the result than he is. Classic. Can I have a better chat somewhere? Let's see. Yeah, I need this one. There you go. Yeah, this one is easier. I don't know what time is in your end. What time is it right now? It's 2 p.m. So early afternoon. Yo Max Boof, yo Water Button, yo Anderson. What's up, man? Hello Junichi. Let's wait just a few more minutes and then we start. Oh, I need to update this whole website for the new course. It's going to be so hard. There's so many changes, like it's crazy. Since there will be 2 courses, I need to separate them clearly. I need to handle all the pricing, the discounts, the invoice, have some place to explain which course does what, explain to the current student they have an automatic discount, stuff like that. So much work. It's a nightmare. Oh, I'm not supposed to see that. Yeah, see? I broke it already. I did some updates for the alpha of the new lessons, and we are not supposed to see when the lesson is free when we are logged in. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I need to fix that. Yeah, by the way, I started the alpha phase. Some of you are probably part of the members and saw it. Yeah, I think I really broke. I don't know, it's because it's loading. Let's see. Yeah, I need to update the website. I have a huge to-do list. Yeah, today I pushed, this morning I pushed the post-processing lesson. Look at that. It's so good. I'm so happy. I hope the testers will like it. It's really advanced and really cool. Oh no, I need to use the OBS. Yeah, in case some of you are posting on the YouTube. Oh wow, so many messages. Mexico 6 a.m. Oh, why are you awake this early? Have you watched France yesterday? If you're talking about football, no. I don't watch football. I don't like football. Hello, GK Noel. Yeah, new course about TSL and Web GPU. And it's going to be huge. Salut Ethan. Ah tiens, je parlais de toi. Est-ce que tu es le Ethan que je pense? Mon Ethan, on va dire. Morgan. Hello Morgan. Maes, Jump, Eddie, Tim, CTCSS, Fantaster. Hey Basti UI. Bonjour de Basti UI. Are you Basti UI? Or are you with Basti UI? On nous a dit d'être gentil. Qui a dit ça? Basti Y, is it some kind of red from Basti Y? Did I miss something? I'm quite sure I did. Like I always do. Oh yeah, so many followers. I'm quite sure we got a red, right? A red from a red. Red. English is already sloppy. So yeah, it's going to be a different course. Because it's huge. Because I need motivation. And because my accountant is asking me if I was going to make money or not. Because the sales are dropping. Yeah. Hello, MDers. You already say hi, right? MDers. MDers. You need prior knowledge for the new course? Yes, absolutely. Ideally, you need to have followed some part of the original course, and I will explain which part exactly. You don't need to have finished the original course, fortunately, because it's way too big. But I will explain clearly when it's live which part you need to have followed. Yo Dodo, hello Erasable. We're just doing a quick chat, and then we start the reviews. La petite voiture qui a fait ramer mon Google Chrome. Which one? The old one or the new one, which is probably in the worst? I think I was really on the edge in terms of performance, Basti. Like the new one, like maybe 2 months before release, the performance was really bad. On my own MacBook, which is a MacBook, it was maybe 60 FPS, which is not good enough for a website. J'ai le résultat du brevet en fin d'après-midi. I know, Ethan, I know. At 4 p.m. À 4 heures, t'as les résultats. That's my nephew, by the way. We are waiting for the math results. Tu as eu un raid. Yeah, thank you, Batiwai, by the way. Hope you had a good stream. And I'm sure you were doing some 3JS stuff, right? J'aime beaucoup ton portfolio, super boulot. Ah, thank you very much. J'ai le résultat du brevet. Bonjour, nanana, oui, Henri de Bastille. Hello from India. Hello, India. Facecam. No, sorry, no camera because I messed up with my setup. I was preparing the recording of the lessons, and so I put my Canon. So it's a normal camera that I use as a webcam, and I think Canon just fucked us really hard. I think because now it looks like I need a software with subscription in order to have my camera as a webcam. I think it's like that now. I'm not sure. I need to figure it out because Canon is really bad in terms of software, but it looks like it. So I'm really pissed, and I don't know. We probably figure out a way to not have to pay a subscription just to have a camera. But yeah, in the end, I removed the old camera, and so I can't put anything. I can show you. You guys want to see my my camera? It looks like this. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I need to fix it for the recording of the new lessons. Ah, bonjour, j'aime beaucoup ton portfolio super. Stomp. I need a way to know which messages I've already read. Amazing. Good morning, Bruno. Anderson. Hey, Anderson, what's up? So for you, it's early in the morning, right? Ectogamatiagami. Dude, what is that name? Why not Anderson? You were muted? Why? Was it like a moderation? So yeah, no face. Sorry, you won't be able to see my my shiny skull. First time here. Welcome. I'm having the new TSL course. Oh, you're yeah. You've been testing it? How can you find time to test the new lessons? You're looking for inspiration for the workshop, I'm sure. You do well. The new course, it's complicated. To make it quick, it was supposed to be... I mean, I can finish in 1 month, but I need to update the whole website to accommodate the new course, because the website needs to provide 2 courses. I'm sorry, maybe it's a bit loud. Just tell me if the sound is too high when I talk. And so I need to update the website, but I also need to prepare the 3JS conference talk, and I have ideas that need a lot of work. So it's really complicated. I don't know which one is going to end first. Maybe I would shift things up so that I can get the lessons out quickly. And the cat is boring me, sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, I have a cat now. I don't know what happened, but I have a cat. And she's a bitch. Like always biting me and scratching my hands. Tu me tiens au courant. Ok. Parfait. You need Sony Eve Mark II, I guess. Sony Eve Mark II? What's that? Is the camera? Sony Eve. Oh, she's biting my hand. Eve Mark II. Is it better? I guess it's ZV maybe? Sony ZV Mark II? No, hey, Mio! Oh. Oh. That cat. Ask Claude to fix it. Yeah, maybe I will get some insights from Claude. I had some bad experiences recently with Claude. Like it was really bad. And Claude apologized multiple times in one session, which usually means that there was a lot of mistakes. I don't remember what I was trying to fix, but that was really bad. And you moved to Sony? Okay, good to know. And you use it for as a camera? Alvaro Zabu. Super early. Early bird gets the worm. Yo Soshti. 8 a.m. USA. Any recommended editor WYSIWYG for 3GS? Oh, that's a good question. We have plenty of those. I would recommend you to have a look to what's the name? A Needle editor. Okay, it depends what you want to do exactly. Canon streaming software is free, but it has a lot of bugs. I'm quite sure I saw something with the subscription. It's new because this thing didn't exist before. And yeah, I need to dig it. I'm going to say some mistake. Are you play with the new 3GS adapter in AnimJS? No, I haven't. I really want to test AnimJS, but especially because I'm a little bit annoyed by GSAP. And I haven't tested anything yet. I've been talking to the author and it was really motivating in adding more related to 3GS for animation, I mean. And yeah, I need to test it. Hello, Peru. Yes, your course is helping me in the workshop. Nice. Lots of ideas. Yeah. Le son est vraiment bon, pas de souci. Ok, parfait. Thank you, Morgan. How did you access? There's an alpha running for the new lessons, but it's a closed alpha. Sorry. And there are so many feedbacks already, and I don't have time to read them. I'm stressed. Like if I see some like feedbacks that requires lesson update, I will have to do it. I mean, it's quite a stressing phase. I got an invite to the beta. Yeah, all streamers use that Sony camera. All right. Well, you know what? Good to know. Maybe I will sell this one and take this one. I know there is a weird limitation where I can record only half an hour and then I have to restart it. And when you record like a 4 hours long lesson, it's really annoying to have to cut it in the middle. Morgan, je n'ai toujours pas fait le pas de prendre ton cours. Est-ce qu'il est toujours up to date? It's 1 year old. I mean, the latest update was, I think, 1 year ago, but I'm going to update it soon. I've checked. There are a few things that could use some update, and in the new course, I take care of those things. Like we use the new shadow. Obviously, we use the new post-processing render pipelines, stuff like that. So it's still very good, but there are a few things that needs to be updated, which I will do after the new course release. All right, shall we start? No more superpowers to kill other cubes. Oh, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. We can kill a few people. Okay, I'm going to clear the message. Bam. Let's go. By the way, it's only for Twitch. We can't have that otherwise. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The next course is going to be about TSL, so it's the new 3GS shading language, mostly to write shaders, but it does a lot more, and I explain what exactly. And also web GPU, but TSL makes it so that we barely notice web GPU. Since it's a layer on top of it, there's a really good abstraction above it. So we do use some very specific web GPU features, and I do mention some features that work thanks to fallback for WebGL, but yeah, it's more TSL than web GPU. I need to figure out a good name for it. Oh, explosion. It's coming. Boom. Nice one. Oh shit, everybody died. All right. Do you stream often? No. Once every 2 months when we do the challenge review. We're going to review some project, by the way. That's what we are here for. I missed the time where we were when I was streaming often, but it was really like tiring, too much, and I was getting late on every project because of that. Oof. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Oh, that was a good one. Very good one. Creative development as a career, everything took a hit in terms of career. Yeah. Everything. Oh, thank you, Major. I'm seeing some, I know this sound. Yeah, it's Major. Maybe there was another one. Yeah, sorry if I missed some subscription. I think I got it. What's up, Major? You're working full-time on the course, or do you do other stuff? I always do other stuff. It's a nightmare. It's a never-ending other stuff life. But yeah, these days I'm like maybe 70% on the new course. I even stopped playing games, I mean less games, so that I can finish this course as fast as possible. Which is sad because we have some cool games these days. I took Doom, the DLC. Really sad for ID Software, by the way. I heard they are, how do you say, laying off half of the staff while making a really good game. I only played, I think, 3 hours, but those first 3 hours were really good. So yeah, that's really sad. Have a workflow to prepare creative project like awards website. You mean a lesson? A lesson for awards like website, you mean? Oh good, almost finished the TSL fundamentals. Ooh, the biggest one. I think that's really the biggest lesson from the new course. I hope. And I'm happy that I finished it, although I need to take care of the feedback because it was really hard. And I kept updating it while doing the whole rest of the course, which is why I can't do like I need to finish writing all the lessons because I keep updating the first lessons as I do the end lessons. And yeah, I'm quite happy, but what a piece. Huge piece. All right, shall we start? Sorry, English is getting sloppy as always. So yeah, that's the new course, but we are not here for the new course. We are here to review the projects. And by the way, it's the new voting systems. You just need to provide stars for each category. And we're going to do that together. Yeah, please do. And if you want to help me rating the projects, that'd be nice. We have a lot of votes, by the way. I'm really happy with the voting system. But they are in the order with the one that needs more votes are at the top. So if you want to help me, just vote for those. And it's anonymous. I'm the only one who can see them, but I don't review your notes. I just have some alerts in case there is a weird behavior, like someone who can put like 6 instead of 5 stars, stuff like that. All right, let's go. And yeah, I'm going to do it in the order. And I can send you the link, by the way. Yeah, it's going to be there. I'm going to pin it. Sorry, I have no idea how to do that on... oh, I can post there. Yeah, true. So sorry for the double post. Okay, and it did work for YouTube. That's great. Yes, I'm discovering streaming at the same time. Customize, manually unpin. Yeah, I'm good with that. All right, let's go. Let's go. Satori. Ah, yeah. Well, that's my first issue, which I mentioned to the author. When an experience starts on a login gate, it's a little bit problematic. Oh no, I don't remember my password. No, maybe I put like Bruno Simon. I have no idea. Please. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna do another password. Oh, okay. So that's probably the right name. Please. Ah, Shiba. Wait, I pressed enter. Is it trying to log in or? Yeah, login was. Oh, where did it go? I think the author had a reason to have login, but yeah, I think I broke it. Bruno with 2 O. Password. This time I click register. Oh no! Ah, come on. Okay, it's working. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, that's the main issue. It's the web. For the web people, you need to catch them really fast. You can't afford to have like a login gate. Even this message, I mean, it prevents us from playing. At the same time, we don't have time to read it. Oh, my mouse. I'm not touching my mouse. It's moving without me moving. But yeah, that's sad to have that many like gates and the early intro, because that's a really cool environment. Look at that. It's infinite. There is grass. You know how much I love grass. Virtual grass more than real grass, because I'm having troubles with my garden grass. Look at that. That's really cool. Yeah, I don't remember why the author needed a login. There is a reason. It might be... Is it multiplayer? I don't know. Email magic link. Yeah, that's a good idea. I never use that, but I don't mind website who does that. But just like for quick experience, Not for something that I would reuse often, because I have my own vault with password, etc. So I don't like magic links when I use my vault. But for experiences like that, if they really need to have someone logged in and auth, yeah, magic links are good. Yeah, that's really good. Can I? Yeah, there. We have the audio, keyboard, virtual touchpad. Oh, nice. Enable touch interface. Ooh, look at that. Some accessibility stuff. Oh, I can move it. That's nice. It's original. The way the head is not in sync with the... I mean, probably the body is weird too. But yeah, that's nice. I like this kind of minimalist experience, but at the same time, you are so small in a huge universe. Ooh, escape, enter. We can chat. Yeah, I'm quite sure it's an online experience. But I don't think it's working, because right now I'm posting messages, but nothing is happening. But that was a good attempt anyway, and the experience itself is pretty good. I like it. I can't stop. Oh, okay. It was... yeah, okay. It was stuck. Okay, nice. Let's try to give a note for this one. Design, not a big fan. Creativity is okay. Technique, I think there is more to it. Unfortunately, it was a little bit broken, so I'm going to stick to 3. Interaction, not much to do, but we can move around, and that's already quite cool. Yeah, actually, we can move around, but there's no interaction like in the universe. And is it in the theme? Yeah. Not that much stylized, but it's okay. Maybe a bit less for the creativity. All right, let's go. Next one. I'm going to put back the music. Oh yeah, there's something super weird with the water on this one. I don't know what is the... oh, wait. Are there 2 surfaces on top of each other and we are seeing some Z fighting? No, no way. Yeah, that's a weird water, but at the same time, it's an interesting one. There are some helpers left here. Those looks like light helpers. I'm not sure why. We can see... that looks like Sobel over there. Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, it's clearly like a beginner attempt. There's some good stuff there. Is it some shadow happening here? But yeah, it's so weird to have the... when we move left, right, the pattern is like stuck on the screen, but up and down, it's not. That's so weird. Ah, we can change it. Change the seed, change the color. That's interesting. And we do have some lights. Yeah, for me it's more like a work in progress. Don't forget to change the title too. But yeah, let's try to give a note on this one too. So design, unfortunately, not great. Technique, there's a little bit of stuff. There aren't that many interaction. It's kind of in the theme, but not great. Okay, next one. Let me catch up with the chat. Water is a caustic shader. I didn't get working. Is it because it was repeating as it should not have a caustic shader? That's funny. We do use, which one is it? Wally, which is also named Cell Noise and Voronoi. Kind of the same thing, although some people distinguish them. You agree? Experimental one. Yeah, I mean, that's great. We just have fun, we experiment, that's the point. Dans le projet pour mettre en avant la culture de mon île d'origine, which is, avec l'idée d'utiliser des sites immersifs et créatifs pour apporter un renouveau. That's a good idea. Je me heurte parfois à une certaine réticence face aux nouvelles technologies, notamment sur le web. Est-ce que tu as des retours d'expérience avec des entreprises ou des acteurs publics-privés réticents à ces aspects? Yeah, you just need to show them the right website. But the right one, I mean, existing website, you need to catch them because they probably didn't see cool experiences yet. And when you sell them like 3D website, immersive websites with animation and stuff, they probably just think of video games and they probably don't like video games. So try to find good examples, and one of them is going to catch them. We'll see. If you know, yeah, okay. Yo, Jed Hug. You encounter any useful AI tools that we can use in Three.js project? Let me think. There are so many tools with AIs. I mean, that's the problem. There is so much noise with AIs. I mean, there is a bunch of... there is Oma. Is the name Oma? I think it's the one generating projects. I don't know. I don't use them much because like 1 week later there's 10 new tools, and 1 week later there is 20 new tools, and then they all work with subscription or whatever. It's a little bit annoying. All right, next one. I think this one has sound. A mysterious illness has spread through the jungle, killing the plants one by one. Your mission is to find the sacred seeds across the river and restore the dead plants before the illness consumes everything. WASD, mouse to look around, F to interact, click on the withered plant to restore them. Okay, let's go. All right, nice. Why is my mouse locked, but I can't look around? Oh, now I can. That was weird. Okay, first of all, if you play video games with a third person, when I press right, it's not supposed to rotate the camera. It's supposed to go right and keep the camera forward. When I press right now I'm not using the mouse. I'm just using the keyboard. I'm trying to go right and it's rotating the camera. So take some real life examples, I mean real game examples to really know how it should behave. Anyway, that's a detail. Okay, there you go. We need the boat. That's a cool universe. I really like it. Very colorful. It could use some shading. See how the floor is really flat? The reflection too. Yeah, see? I can see the reflection of my character on the water. That's weird. And it's probably quite an expensive reflection. There are tricks. You can use the what we call the safe UV, but it's going to create a mask where there is currently the reflection of object in front of us. I hate reflection. I mean, with good performance, it feels almost impossible. Let's go. Okay, I think I need to collect seeds. Yeah. It's working really good. I think I'm kind of flying. Yeah, I'm flying. It's okay. How many seeds do I need? Okay, I guess I need 12 seeds. I don't know if you guys can see, but at the top right corner I have a list. I mean, a goal. I have 9 seeds. Okay, one there. 11. I'm sure there's one more. Yeah, right here. Oh no, I can't. Oh, I think I can get it. Yeah, there you go. The animation of the character is way too slow compared to the speed. Why am I so high? I like that universe. Would have been nice to find some tricks so that we can't see the edge. Maybe some kind of fog. Maybe you push the land further and you use some kind of fog to hide it. I mean, to blend it. Okay, press F. Shit, I'm super high again. Maybe I need to... No, it's okay. I'm just flying. Don't mind me. And I need to restore the trees. So which tree exactly? Oh no, wait. I'm quite sure it's on the other side. It's probably those trees. Is it? Click to restore. Work close, click to restore. Uh-huh. It's not working. Okay, I don't think it's those ones. Palworld, il est fait avec Unreal Engine. I think so. The 1.0 just released today. We haven't finished. We are playing Palworld with friends, and oh, I think I know. Okay, those are like faded, and we need to give them seats. Okay, I get it. I get it. The animation is really nice. So yeah, Palworld, we are playing with friends, and we haven't finished the post 1.0 content yet. But yeah, we have a few more weeks of game thanks to that. I'm like level 35, something like that. Really funny game. Okay, I got one here, one here, one here. Can I zoom in? Yeah, camera is a little bit annoying. One here. Come on, come on. By the way, I don't test... oh no, it's dead. Oh no, there was a timer. Ah, shit. Mr. Illness has spread through the jungle, and now it started again. That was pretty good. I mean, there was some really like blocking stuff like the camera and things like that, but it's quite easy to fix. So yeah, really good experience. I'd say like give it one more weeks of work and it's really good. And I'm quite sure there's a beast somewhere, but maybe I'm mixing with another project a little bit similar, something about avatars, you will see. But yeah, I think there's a beast somewhere. At least we can hear it. 3D plus AI requires a lot of guidance, less training material maybe. We took it in my experience, models are very bad with optimization and getting good feeling of the scene. I haven't used these skills, but they are interesting read. I'm curious to throw them in project and just how they work. Cloud AI X 3GS skills. Maybe I will check. Il s'agit de la réunion. Ah yeah, la réunion. On est assez en retard sur le sujet des sites créatifs. Et restons malheureusement sur les sites vraiment très corpo. Yeah, that's a good opportunity. That's perfect. If you're in a situation where they are late, it means opportunities. And I mean, you understood it, so take the opportunity. Amma is from Spline. Yeah, and I saw many good examples. Yeah, and they're getting better and better. They're working really hard, the Spline team. That's great. Any area in the software that is not flooded by AI-coded apps? Absolutely no. And if there is an area that is not flooded with AI, it will be flooded with AI in just a week or two. All right. Yeah, really good. Let's give it a score. Let's vote. Design, I liked it. I think we are right between those. I'm going to give 4. Creativity, yeah, that was pretty good. Again, I'm right between the two. So I'd say this one. So we get an average. Technique was pretty good. Interaction, there was stuff. You know what, 4. Is it in the theme? Yeah, 4. Yeah, maybe I was a little bit generous, but that was a nice experience. But yeah, give it one more week and it's perfect. Rabbit Explorer. This one is funny. There you go. I like the style. I like the noise. Oh, it's funny. I don't know if you guys can see on the stream, but the vertices are a little bit wiggly. My guess is that it's because the elevation is using like a texture or maybe a procedural function, and the vertices are moving between the values. So it gets a little bit wiggly, almost like a PlayStation 1 effect. I like this one because, as I said to the author, it feels like doing a bunny hop. You know, like in most games, not most games, but many games you can do bunny hop. Dum, 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 dum. That's great. Simple and efficient. There's not much to do, but it's quite satisfying, right? Yeah, and I like the noise. That's what I say about the new shadows we have in the 3GS. They implemented a Vogel disk sampling, I think, algorithm. Was it the poison? No, it's Vogel disk sampling. Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, it's a shadow map that looks a little bit noisy, and I love the result because it gives some texture to the shadow. Like you get details for free. If you put like a sampling value that is too low, you get some kind of noise just like that. So yeah, I really like the new shadow in 3GS. That's the kind of things I need to add to the old lessons. New shadows. Yeah, that's really cool. I like this experience. The duck is really weird. Duck. Let's see the duck. I can't zoom in. That's what I use Needle for. I can debug stuff and move the camera. Very useful to do the screenshots. It doesn't always work. I can't always have like a free camera, but see, I can rotate around thanks to this one. Ding, 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 ding. All right, I played too much. Oops, that's a test recording. So how much would I give? Design is really good. I like it. Creativity, fresh and original ideas, a little bit. Just 3, maybe 2. Let's see the rest. Technique is fine. Interaction, there's not much. I will adjust a little bit in terms of creativity. And the theme, yeah, because it's really like intentional. The style is really stylized and it's intentional. So I'm going to give 5 stars. This one was just a test. I was making sure that the voting system was working. So I'm going to redo it. The speed, yeah, I know. Maybe you can bind your mouse to auto-click. Cozy community to create and be bothered too much by AI. Just present what we have besides 3GS, of course. Yeah. It would be interesting to have like a AI-safe communities. Like you don't get anybody like sharing AI stuff is automatically banned. We're just here to have a few minutes of a peaceful moment without AI. And then you get back to the normal communities and have AIs everywhere. Yo, Elkas Grain. J'aurais adoré avoir tes cours en français. Yeah, having French, like a French recording, that's a lot of work. Or maybe I can use like the auto voice generation. Have you tested like YouTube auto voice generation in other languages? It's pretty good. It's not perfect yet, but it's really good. For people who don't speak whatever language the author is using, that's really nice. All right, next one. Load a model with React 3 Fiber. Change the title. God damn it. How do I remove needle? Get away, needle. There you go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to change favicon and title. What is that sound? Chronicle conclude, written by Hiba Noor. I think we can interact here and there. Oops. Flip texture. The past digital. I think that's like the chronicle of the. Ah, yeah. Yeah, be careful with the back face. Like this. Oh, you're right, I think it's just an animation. I believe there's a lot of AI generated stuff. It's hard to say. I don't know. Can't we interact? No, I don't think there's anything special to do. Well, nice little scene. Unfortunately, not much to do. Design. Ah, it's difficult. Ooh. Can I zoom out? Yeah, I need to do something about the URL. Creativity, technique. There's a little bit of animation, interaction. There is not much to do in terms of interaction. We can just rotate around. Is it in the theme? Kind of, but the style is a little bit mixed. So it's stylized, but it's not really stylized as expected from the theme. Creativity, not much. Design, not much. Yeah. Something like that, maybe. Hey yo, Vino, what's up? Hello, Alice. What is needle? Needle is needle is a lot of things. Duck. Can I? Oh, let's see. Needle editor. Let me show you. It's an engine and it's multiple tools. There's also like a online model optimization. So much. I'll let you discover because I just use the extension on Chrome so that I can mess around with a scene. But yeah, I will just post that there. There you go. Ooh, I can choose to post on a separate platform. That's cool. Hello Thibaut. Can you repeat how to achieve shadows like in the Rabbit demo? I don't think the Rabbit demo was using those shadows, but the newer shadows in 3GS are using by default. It's the PCF shadow. Let's see if I can find it. 3JS example. Oh, it's awful. I switched to QWERTY like, I don't know, 10 days ago, but my PC keyboard is still AZERTY. And now I'm lost again, but on the other way. It's this one, I believe. Yeah, this one is using it. I don't think you have anything to do special to have them working. Shadow enabled. Yeah, see? You just enable shadows and you have them. But you need to increase the radius. Oops, radius. A lot in order to have a soft shadow. By the way, it's not... the radius doesn't change with the distance. You always get kind of the same result. But yeah, have a look to the 3GS examples. That's the default one. Increase the radius on the light shadow, and you will get a nice soft shadow. That's really cool. I love it. This one is really good. That's the kind of technique we should have had a lot earlier, but I think nobody thought of it. And thankfully, Mr. Doob added it. But yeah, it looks kind of grainy. You probably don't see it in the stream because of the encoding, but I can see it. I'm going to share with you this example. Beautiful shadow. I love this one. And in terms of performance, it's about the same. Depends what you put in the settings, but with the default settings, it's as performant. And anyway, with web GPU, we get better performance, so it's a win-win. All right. What happened? Wait a minute. Oh no. What did I do? Okay, anyway, I know which one I haven't voted for. So we can continue. Look at that! That's a cute cat. I want to zoom in. Ah, don't prevent me from zooming in. Come on. Yeah, I can't use the navigator zoom. So it's not working with the AZERTY keyboard, but I can change it. Okay, I can use the arrows. Look at that! Simple and efficient, like the rabbit. I like it. And there is grass. I'm getting too influenced by the only fact that there is grass. Yeah, that's cool. We get some nice fireflies. They look really natural. They seem to be moving away from the cat. Is it the case? Yeah, they are. Look at that. I don't think there is specific goals. I also like the little light, the halo light around the lantern. Yeah, that's cool. Nice little experience. But yeah, I would have put a lot more grass. By the way, I recommend to work on the transition between the grass and the floor. If you can get it like perfect, it makes the whole experience a lot more like a homogeneous. No, I'm not sure the English word. We say homogene. Like it feels like it's part of the same scene. And having the right transition between the grass and the floor is a lot harder than what you can think of. And we do that in the upcoming lessons, by the way. And it's actually very interesting because we need to compute our own normal map from an elevation map. And we use the storage texture to do so. I mean, it's really good. Technically. I mean, I hope it's good, but I had fun doing it. Yeah, nice little experience. Good work. Design, I like it. Creativity, yeah, why not? Technique, there is not much, although we can move around. So we stick to 3. Interaction, there's not much to do, but to move around. And it's totally in the theme. Let's go. Yeah, I think the categories need some work again. I need to figure it out. It's not always easy to provide a note. Make the grass blend nicely with the scene. Yeah. Maybe I can show you. Let me think. Let's see. I don't have it here, but maybe I have the videos. No, I don't have the videos. Yeah, no, I can't show you because it's on the other computer. Well, you will have to wait for the lesson. All right, next one. Abstract hiking. Ooh, an editor. Okay, let's remember there is an editor. Oh, there's something wrong, weird with the text. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are lines. So this is probably a geometry. Yeah, I can see the perspective on the cube. That's interesting. Why not using a... Ah, okay. Yeah, okay. Very immersive. All right. Look at that. That's cool. That's super cool. Okay, no AZERTY support. Okay, I found the shortcut to switch to QWERTY. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. Very specific style. I think the pattern at the bottom of the screen is too big. See what I mean? When I look down, there's just too much of those strokes that stick to the view. It's a little bit too much. We get like completely lost. I'm moving the mouse, but nothing is moving on screen because of that. If I move up like this, it's fine. Okay, there is an inventory. We can jump. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay, I remember that. Don't jump. Why? Is it because of the frame rate? I have like quite a high frame rate on this one. It's like 144 Hertz, I think. So how do I use my inventory? Is there something to do? Oh, I took a photo. Ah, and then it opens. New picture taken. Okay. When you have an inventory and you need to click on it, you can't have like lock the mouse. If I click there, the mouse is locked, but I can't click on the inventory. So maybe there are other buttons to do it, but okay, let's try again. Photo. Yeah, that's the real photo I just took. That's cool. That's a nice feature. Can I download the photo maybe? No. Space to jump, mouse. Okay, cool. But now I want to test the editor. Ooh. What is that? Is it working? So those are probably mountains. I'm going to put water. No, it's not working. Yeah, I think the editor is not working. I might be wrong, but bucket. Oh, nice. It's not really working, but I'm going to put water everywhere. Map size. I can't change the size. Yeah, no, it's not working. Ah, too bad. But that's cool. Just the experience itself is really nice. I don't know why we jumped that far, but at least we can jump. Yeah, that's nice. And be careful with Asiatic keyboard. Yeah, I know it's only 3% of the population, but we really appreciate when we don't have to switch to QWERTY in order to play a game. That's crazy, the amount of AAA games that get it wrong. Recently, I had a good surprise. It was with a Hytale. Yeah, Hytale did everything right in terms of controls. That was really good. Those are weird. The clouds are using like particles, probably. Okay, let's vote. Well, one dog is missing. Hope she's alright. Sorry. Design. Well, I really like it. I really like it. Why don't we have the blob thing, by the way? Was there a blob thing? Yeah, no more blob thing. If I took the screenshot, there was one, but for some reason it's not there anymore. Anyway, design is good. Creativity is good. The technique is good, but unfortunately the editor is not working. Yeah. I mean, I can't provide more stars for something that is not working. Yeah. Interaction, there's a little bit of interaction. Again, most of the interaction would have been from the editor, but the editor is not working. And the theme, yeah, totally good. Alright, cool. Next one. Flower Field. Yeah, inspired by Free Ren. Sorry if I said it wrong. I'm rewatching the whole first seasons of Free Ren and reading the manga at the same time. That's nice. But there's a frame rate issue. If you don't have a really good computer, don't open this one, okay? I'm quite sure those have a lot of... Oh yeah, look at that. There are so many polygons. Like, see how round the shape is? You know what? Let's try to mess with it. Tack. Let's see. I'm going to put the camera far enough so that we can see everything. And... where is it? Ah, it's locking the screen. Yeah, I can't use that. No more floor. The points, okay, that's not the issue. We have some points there, some points there. Yeah, that's the one. Tuk tuk. Mesh. Oh, it's supposed to be instancing. That's odd. So those are instance mesh? No way. How can I change the material? There it is. Material, info, shader. Where's wireframe? Where's wireframe? Wireframes. Can you guys see wireframe? I want to see the wireframe. Show me the wireframe. Am I blind? Ah, come on. Okay, that's a huge... There is a texture, so it's 4K by 4K. Oh, no, that's so big. Roughness, metalness, emissive, is material, precision, wireframe. There you go. Oh, yeah, look at that. There are so many triangles. No. And I think there are like little, very little things on the sphere at the middle. Yeah. Ay. I should have warned the developer. I think I did actually. Yeah, big performance mistake. So, design. Design is good. Creativity, nothing crazy. Technique, nothing crazy either. And even worse, there is the performance mistake. We don't judge the performance too much, but... oh, we can move around actually. That's already pretty good. I tend to forget that. Interaction. Yeah. Interaction is... We can't do much, but we can move around. It's a bit of redundancy with technique and interaction, the fact that we can move around. And the theme is good, although it's not really what we would expect from Stylized, because it's a high poly model, so yeah, maybe around there. Anyway, I'll review again after, so I'll probably update it later. There are tricks for swapping low poly for high poly, depending on distance. Yeah, it's LOD, level of detail. 3GS does support that. I never used this solution because usually I create scenes. I don't know, it happens a few times where I created scenes where things were really far away. And also, some GPUs have troubles handling triangles that are smaller than 1 pixel. And that's also a good reason to use LOD. Yeah. But has it any matter if object is instanced? Well, as you can see, it does, because it was instanced. I'm not sure what happened exactly. I'm quite sure there was like way too many polygons, and anyway, the texture was too big too. You don't even need a texture for the flowers. I'm too nice. Yeah, maybe I will not be that nice when I review them again after the stream. Yeah, those are nice flowers. Who is Elodie? I don't know. Where is Elodie? Is it written somewhere? I've been... hey, what's up? What's up, Mohit? Bad Mash. Doing well. A little bit tired. Working like really hard on the new lessons. Oh, the 2 seasons. Should I read the manga? You think? Depends if you want to wait. I mean, I've read... I think there's about 5 or 6 books after... the end of the current end of the anime, and it's really nice. Yeah, it's a bit slow, but there's a really nice arc. I would recommend if you can't wait. Yeah, read the manga if you can't wait. And by the way, it's really like the same. The dialogues are the same, the scenes are the same, the pace, etc. is really the same thing. Ah, Elodie. Nice one. don't laugh about my English. For the aesthetic, yeah. It's a little bit slow, but when there is action, it's really good. Okay, next one. What time is it? It's 3. It's good. We're doing good progress. Okay, another one, simple and efficient. I like this kind of interactions. Yeah, see that? I'm quite sure it's the technique where we draw in a canvas. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's the one where we draw in a canvas so that we get a trail. Very good idea. This way it gets a really nice trail behind the cursor. So satisfying. Again, I would have worked on the transition between the blade and the floor. To have something, it needs to blend better. And by the way, there is a night version. Oh yeah, look at that. I like it. That's really good. I think I would have added a bit more of shading. Maybe a point light over there. Have shadow work on the scene. Maybe make sure that the light is targeted toward the front, because it's hard to read. Like, see, if I put the camera right here, it's really hard to read. So you need to put the light at a perfect angle so that you can read. Well, yeah, nice little scene. I love grass. I'm way too influenced by the grass. If you want to get a good note from me, a good how do you say score from me, you put bloom and grass, and you're good to go. Creativity, design. Yeah, I think it's about the same. Technique. Yeah, I like it too. Maybe a bit more. But in the end, yeah, most of the technique is having 2 types of moods and this interaction with the floor. So 3 stars, I think, is fine. Interaction, again, it's the floor. See, there is a lot of redundancy between those. Because creating interactions implies adding techniques, but not necessarily the opposites. So it makes sense, but there is redundancy between the two. Yeah, I need to figure out something. So interactions, it's just a cursor animation, and that, okay, I will put 3 stars again, and totally in the theme. Let's go. Yeah, I'm probably too nice, but hey, I like it. Next one. There's a sheep. Thank you. Oh, wait. I can record the sheep. One, two, 1, 2. Hello, sheep. Yeah, I think the problem is that we can't record. Let's see. Sound, reset permissions. Since I'm selling the microphone to the stream, I think I can't record in there. Maybe, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, the bar is not moving, so it's probably not working. But maybe if I use 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, there you go. Oh, never mind. So this is my old headset. This is my new one, and the microphone is not working. And this is the what you're hearing right now. So I can do in Chrome and in OBS at the same time. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. What am I supposed to do? I don't understand. You guys know what I'm supposed to do with those? Oh, wait, I can hear it. Okay. I think it's because, oh, why is the Wi-Fi signal low? Oh, I'm so annoyed. I have a, I don't know if you guys know that, it's a sinkhole. It's something on my network that remove every ad. And it was running on a Raspberry Pi, and we had some, because of the heat, I think, we have some weird electricity stuff happening in the city, and it burnt my Raspberry Pi, and it looks like you can't buy Raspberry these days. I mean, the price is crazy, and especially not this one. It was like one of the cheapest Raspberry Pi just to run a server, like a sinkhole server. So I have advertising, and I had to renew the DHCP server. I mean, it's such a nightmare just because the Raspberry burnt. I'm so annoyed. But yeah, I think we can record ourselves, but I put the sound super low, and that's why we can't hear. That's a nice grass, by the way. Yeah, I can hear the ships. That's such a fun experience. I didn't understand we could do that. And look at the face of the ship. That's cool. That's really cool. Great idea. I love it. Yep. Nice. All right. You need a UPS in front of your electronics, like big TV or PC. What's that? Things that take care of the electricity and stuff. Making sure there is no like high tensions. How is the market in 3GS developers? I don't know much. I've heard that it's not great. I mean, everything digital related is taking a hit right now because of AIs. But yeah, I don't know. I think the market is complicated. Yeah. Developers, designers, maybe even managers. You can hear like studios that seems to be doing really well, and then they're like, yeah, we fired half of the staff. Okay. Electric filter plus battery. Oh, I see. Nice. You call that UPS. Okay. I will have a look. Nice. The text mesh doesn't quite fit, but it looks great. Yeah, talking about the previous one, I see. Good grade. Yeah, grade, that's it. Grade. I watched the anime for the aesthetic, yeah. Ubisoft, yeah. Ah, onduleur. Yeah, okay, I see. Thank you. Thank you, Bobo la Frappo. Alright, next one. It's this one. Ooh. Yeah, this one is really nice. Look at that. Oh, wait. Oh, I hate it. When I'm using like the play button on my keyboard, and Chrome is catching it, and stop the music in the experience. Like, Chrome, stop. Stop, just stop. I know we can change it, but I didn't do it on this computer. That's cool, look at that. I love the idea. It's just a world we can move around. We have the limitation with the sea, a nice shader. Can I drown? I can't drown. The style is similar everywhere, like that too. View instructions. Move with arrow keys, look around with mouse, jump with space, M to toggle music. Oh, which M? Okay, this one. Oh, there you go. Okay, that was weird. Yeah, look at that. Don't eat mushrooms. Ooh. Okay, that was the weirdest transition ever. Ooh. So it's a little bit weird to have blue over there, but can I eat that? Oh, I think I can just eat the glowy one. Oh, I can't jump in the lava. Let me jump in the lava. Yeah, those are nice shaders. Very efficient. Oh, new one. So disturbing. Okay, I think I need to find the other one. Yeah. Oh, another one. I didn't go that far the last time I tried. Those are really nice, like different moods. Bigger trees. Interesting. Ah, no collision with the trees. Shift to crouch is weird. I wouldn't even add crouch in such a game. If you want to add crouch, maybe use C or control, but not shift. Shift is to sprint. That's a general rule. Oh, there. Let's go. Oh, thank you for the sub. Dras Dog the Vipers. Oh, another one. I like this one. That's really cool. That might be the last one. I can't see any mushroom. Yeah. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe it's procedurally generated. I think it is. Yeah, the transition is so weird. Ta-da! Okay. Just one more. Making sure. But I want to crouch. Is it me or they're getting bigger and bigger? I mean, those things, kind of coconuts. Yeah, okay, it's infinite. It gotta be. Very cool. I love it. Really nice experience. Let's see. Design. I think the five stars is going to be for the special ones. Creativity. Yeah, let's go for creativity. Technique. Yeah, quite high. Interactions. We have stuff to catch. We can move around. We can crouch, even though it's not the right key, I'd say. And the theme. Yeah, totally in the theme. Yeah, maybe I'm too generous. I don't know. Hello. What's up? Team Luca. Who's ZZZ everywhere? ZZZ. Try eat the mushroom. Yeah, sure. Like in real life. Alright, next one. No idea how many we have left, but let's go. Yeah, this one is not finished. But that's a good start. Nice scenery. Shift is sprinting, see? Oh, but I don't have to hold it. That's weird. Well, it's less weird than a shift to crouch. And I believe there is a dragon there. Yeah, look at that. So the model is very likely not done by the author, but just like this one, by the way. But yeah, that's nice. We have collisions, we can move around. That was a good start. For Diablo-like or something like that. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Oh, there is grass. Ah, you got me. There is grass. One more star just for the grass. Ah. And nothing else. That's cool. League of Legends. Alright. Yeah, that makes more sense. You're right. You can hear the cheap voice from certain directions. Are you talking about the previous experience we tested? Like this one? I think so. Hello, Speed Sun. I was gonna say speed run. The grass move when you're in that. In that? You mean in the grass? It's not moving with the character, but yeah, there's a nice animation. Nice wind animation. It's really hard to get a cheap but looking great wind animation. There are so many ways to do it. So many ways to do grass, the geometry, so many ways to spread it, so many ways to rotate it according to the camera and to move it with the wind. There's so much to do with grass. It's kind of I'm so hyped every time I had to do grass. So many ways to do it. But yeah, as always, try to blend it as best as you could with the floor. It adds so much. There's also some normal tricks. Anyway, you will learn that in the upcoming course, if you take the course. But yeah, that was a good start. Really nice. Notice also there is an outline instead of geometry outline, and I think it's much better than a post-processing outline. Or you can use the Sobel, by the way. If you want a good outline using post-processing, you need to use the Sobel, but in order to choose what objects in the scene have it, you need to use MRT, so multiple render targets, which is really hard unless you use TSL, and we learned that in the course. Just trying to sell the course. So yeah, design. The models look great, the rest looks nice. Oh, now we have a line break. Okay, that's weird. I need to check this out. Creativity, unfortunately, we can move around. There's no interactions. We can move around. Ah, yeah, see, even between creativity and... Yeah, I need to figure out better categories. Technique is okay. Creativity. Don't have much interactions. We don't have many interactions, but we can move. And there is collision. It's totally in the theme. I don't know. It's hard to provide a score to a work in progress, because I think of what it could have been. Maybe a bit less in terms of creativity. Yeah. Anyway, we'll redo the scores after the stream, probably tomorrow. The path. Click and drag across the hexagon tiles to draw a winding path. Release to lock the path. Release to lock the path. Bordering tiles will glow pink. Bordering tiles. Click to choose. Yeah, when you show instructions like this, show the editor at the same time, because I believe this one is like the walk. Yeah, okay. It's a walking simulator with the editor, but you can't provide instructions if the users don't even understand what you are talking about. Like hexagonal tiles, bordering tiles. What are those? So yeah, you show that, and then you display the instructions. Welcome, click and hold a tile and drag. Yeah, see, we already have this. So yeah, we can just use this one. Maybe put this one like closer to the center. And when the user does that, oh yeah, you remove it. Click, oh, that's perfect. We don't need the one at the start. Yeah, I don't know why there is this one. Just start right away, because those instructions work really well. Okay, so we can do this. We have a path like this. Click each pink tile and choose what sort of nature you'd like. Okay. I want this. I want this. Okay, it would be better to be able to choose trees, and then I just click wherever I want trees. I think that would have been better, because right now I need to click on all of them. So this one, bush, bush, bush. Fill in the rest of the tiles. Oh, that's nice. When done, press the begin walk start button. Ta-da! Oh. Yeah. That's cool. That's really cool. So first, I move left, right. Okay, I'm good with that. But now I move up and down. Come on. Don't invert up and down. Unless you're building maybe a flying simulator. I don't think I asked for statues. There are statues? Wait, let me test again. I only saw trees. Oh, nice. Look at that. The other categories. That's cool. Always the same cloud. We see this one very often. I don't know if it's from Red 3 Fiber or is it from... oh, I'm getting super dizzy. Oh, my head. Okay, I need to stop watching the screen. Oh, just give me 1 minute because my head is spinning right now. Oh, shit. Yeah, give me just 1 minute. I'm going to get some water because I don't feel really well right now. Okay. Yeah, that camera trick really messed up with my head. Motion sickness. Yeah, that's the word. No, I didn't throw up. No claim in the office. Yeah, I do have a... we don't say claim. How do we say in English? Air conditioning? Yeah. Aircon. Yeah, anyway, the camera is acting with like vertical. Don't invert vertical for a first-person camera. So yeah, this one. Come on. I think it's really like this experience that messed up with my head. Design. Not a big fan of the difference of style. So only 3 stars, but there's a lot of work done. Creativity, I like it. Technique, there's quite a lot. I mean, there is the editor, we can move around, so it's pretty good. There's a lot of interactions and it's totally in the theme. Yeah, that was a really good one. Nice job. Caatinga. I think it's the desert thing, right? Ah, yeah. The Great Drought of 1877 devastated the Brazilian Sertão. Hundreds of thousands died, millions left. This is what remained. We get kind of the same texture technique we got in a previous one. It was this one here, with the floor. Ooh. Yeah, see? The floor. Right here. That's a good trick. Very massive. Let me just check the chat. AC. Ah, yeah, that's why we say AC. Yeah, I do have AC. I mean, with dogs, I have no choice. I have a French bulldog, so I need to be very careful. Oh, that's really cool. That's a really nice tree. Yeah, you see the texture? That's really cool. The floor textures is a little bit weird, just like the other one I mentioned. I have it there. Ugh. Come on, shortcuts. Yeah, just like this one, it's a little bit weird when you see too much of it because you lose the spatialization. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, I believe this one was improved since the first one I tested it because it looks a lot better. There's a lot of elevation. I like the fact that the trees are really big and we feel so small and lost. You can hear the sound of the footsteps. Left, right, left, right. Hello. Sorry. You didn't see anything. The cow looks better too, like the shading is better. But the animation is a bit weird though. Like it looks like she's breathing from the butt. Or there's something inside. I don't know. We get some moire that is mixed with the texture technique. I don't think there's anything to do but to just roam around. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, there's something there. Let's see. Yeah. Very massive. Really nice. That's an even bigger tree. Oops. Yeah, that's really good. Collision to the cow and stages. Or you can just use a 2D. I think I would have used a 2D physics engine. Because since we can't move on top of things, we can't jump, use the 2D engine and use the X and Y axis of the 2D engine as the X and Z axis of the 3D world. And you create a circle or a disk for each of those. That's a chip or a polygon. You can also use a polygon. You can create them only when they get close to the player, so that you only test a few objects, a few colliders. This way you can get something really optimized for the collision. Yeah, 2D collision is a cool little trick when you have a horizontal navigation like this. Works really nice. Oh shit, I still feel dizzy. That's bad. It's going to be hard to finish the stream. By the way, what do you think of the new Doom DLC? I only played 3 hours, I think, and it's really good. I love Doom. It's really good. The Dark Age, I think, is really good. I know some people didn't like, but I think it was just like haters trying to find something wrong in whatever new game comes out. But yeah, not a big fan of Dark Age compared to the other one. Yeah, I loved all of them, honestly. I think they're all great. I like the story, I like the gameplay, I like the weapons, I like the monster, I like the design. It's well optimized, although I hate that in those new games, when you put the settings to the minimum, it looks just the same and the frame rate barely went up. They are all doing that, like all AAA games. You can choose like ultra, medium, low. You change those between low and ultra. There is like a 20 frame per second gap. Why? Just let me push it down so that I can have a good frame rate, especially for a fast first-person shooter. But anyway, I have a good computer, so it's okay. But I don't know, for someone with not a good build, it would be nice that it could lower the settings, like truly lower the settings. That's the only thing I don't like about the game. The rest is great. The cow is twerking. She's about to unleash. Yeah. There are 2 mini scenes in there. Really? One with the cow and another with the vultures. So we can do something with the cow. But how? Is it with any vulture or a specific one? Should I just like get close? Let me reload and find like the closest one, maybe. Ah, I want to skip. Let me skip. Oh. It's all black. No, I broke it. Okay, maybe it's because I clicked before it was ready. Yeah, see, I can click there. Okay. And this time... Oh shit, I broke it. What's going on? Oh, there you go. Ooh. Some TSL. Oh, that was weird. So it looks like it's not random. At least it's not like procedurally generated, because we start there and everything is in front of us. You're telling me there's something to do with the vulture? No interaction with the mini scenes. They are just for contemplation. Ah, okay. Yeah, okay, I see. Yeah, that's really good. I really like the style. Very immersive. Great job. And an interesting topic. I didn't know about this. Design was really good. Creativity was great. Technique. I think between the two. Interaction. This. Totally in the theme. Oh, that's a lot. Maybe too much. Yeah, I need to lower something. Something like that. All right. How can I join this world? It's right there. The message is already pinned. But there you go. Oh, you're on YouTube, so yeah, there you go. I don't know how to pin on YouTube. At least I'm glad it's working on YouTube. Let me check on YouTube Studio if everything is working properly. Yeah, it looks like so. Yep, all good. Nice. And can I pin the message? Pin message. Oh! Okay, YouTube Studio is all broken, but I think I did it. Yeah, okay, good. There you go. All right. Alright, next one. Ah, shit, I still feel weird. Alright. Some hexagons. I love hexagons. So remember, you put grass, hexagons, and broom. And that makes a happy Bruno. Double click to place tiles on empty slot. Double click to remove tiles from a slot. Okay. So I take trees. Tuk tuk. There you go. Ah, and it expands. That's cool. Inside the tile we can... Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at this nice animation. That's cool. I like that. Rotate CW. What's CW? Rotate CW. I don't get it. That's cool. I think it would have been nice to have maybe like a fast painting. Like you have a brush, you say you just like move around and you see all the tiles laying automatically. That would have been really nice and satisfying. Stumps, logs, some bushes, some trees. That's cool. But now we want to play. Ah, counter clockwise and clockwise. Yeah, okay, I get it. Or you can put... Ah, no, you can't. Yeah. You know what? I would have removed the CW and CCW since we have those arrows which are in the right position. I mean, the right orientation. That's cool. But yeah, it lacks a end game of it. Like being able to just play in it would have been really nice. Like you can just move around, chill. Maybe some game stuff, I don't know. Yeah, that's really cool. I like it. Oh, shading issues. We have shadows there and not there. Probably just out of the clip. The clip space. Yeah, that's cool. I hope I'm not missing anything, but I think that's about it. Alright. Design is good. Creativity is nice. Technique is good. Interaction is good. Maybe a bit less creativity. I don't know. We are in the theme. Let's go. If you deselect a tile, you can reset save load. Ah, yes. Indeed, I saw that. That's cool. Of this kind of design recently, watch a procedural generation video that could serve as inspiration for improvement. Let's see. Leaving Twitch.
Today, I wanted to look at some procedural generation.
Wow. Learning without using a computer. That's crazy. Sorcery. Nah, finally, a computer. Yeah, you know it's a mathematician. When he has big papers like that with big with big pen, you know it's a teacher and a mathematician. Yeah, we'll check the video. That looks very interesting. I think I saw this guy already. Probably those are the other videos. Alright, thank you. Next one. Ah, great. You're welcome. Lost in the void with the sound. No, Chrome, stop doing that. Okay. Ah, I hate you, Chrome. Alright, with on. There you go. That's cool. That's a nice caustic. Yeah, really nice caustic. Nice scene, nice caustic. Nice fog. Nice boats. Nice fishes. Is there something like about a fish, plural of fish? I think there's a catch. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, ma belle? Oh wait, the dog wants to go out. Oh no, actually, I better not. It's way too hot outside. Yeah, I don't think there are any specific interactions. Oh, we also get like waves at the top. Non, désolé, ma belle. Reste avec nous. Non, sorry. The dogs are awake. Lost in the boys. Non, ma belle, tu restes avec nous. Non, 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 bagarre. Reste là. Yeah, something weird with the faces. Like we can notice a weird pattern. Anyway, that's a nice scene. Nice scene, nice scene. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted at the same time. Creativity, some techniques because of the voids. Yeah, I know there's a overlapping issue. We don't have much interactions. We can just move around. Maybe that would have been nice that the fish follow the cursor or something like that. Shadow is good. Yeah, true. The water shadow on the seafloor. Yeah. I don't know if it's the water or something else, but yeah, the caustic looks really nice. I don't think it's a water. Probably a texture just moving. Let's see, I'm curious. I mean, if the texture is loading. Rock texture. What else do we have? Oh shit, that's a big image. We have the rocks. Yeah, maybe you don't need such a big texture for the fish. Plankton. Oh, there's an AI disclaimer. Only fish texture is generated by AI. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. No problem. So yeah, no interaction and in the theme. That's good. Very nice. Oh, I need to check from OBS. Nice. Okay, we did this one already because I reloaded the page. It's all messed up. Loading the world. Ah. Okay. It is loading. Okay, there you go. I'm just checking how heavy the website is. Okay, 61 megabyte. It's okay. It's okay. Ta-da! So we have a depth buffer issue, as you can see. Yeah. That's a funny bug. That's a cool scene. We have some nice bloom. Bruno is happy. I got my bloom, I'm happy. It's weird that it's not the same color between this one and this one. This one has a little bit of white, which is more realistic, I think. Unfortunately, I don't think we can do anything special. Weird collision box. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Nice little scene. Yeah, that bug is annoying. Yeah, I would need to just have the code and I would probably find it, but it looks like a depth buffer issue. WSSD. Yeah, and start right from the beginning. Okay, design. Well, mostly thanks to the models. Yeah, when I will review it again, I will check that if the models are AI generated or not, or downloaded. It's the same issue. Creativity, not much. Technique, there are a few things. So 3 interactions, not many interactions, but we can move around, which is good, and there is collision, so 3 stars. And it's in the theme, but stylized nature, I don't feel the stylized nature much there. Yeah, so only 4 stars. There you go. That buffer issue, it depends on every case. You need to be more specific to the issue. If it's well related to this one, I think the ghost and the leaves are both rendered in the transparent category, because typically in 3GS, first the opaque meshes are being rendered and then the transparent meshes are being rendered. And they are messed up in the transparent group, I believe. And by default, it should not be the case. It looks like the depth rating is deactivated. So yeah, the developer probably just added a property for specific reasons and it broke the depth. I don't know. I would need to check the code to fix it. If the author is in the chat, you can just talk about it at me on the Discord, the channel. I mean the post, and we will see that together. But yeah, depth buffer with transparent object can be a nightmare. You know that some games just get rid of transparency completely? Even some AAA games that just get rid of it and say to the designer, etc., there is no more transparency in the game. You do what you want, but no transparency. Because yeah, transparency is hard. That's cool. That's a really nice one. So again, I think it's just a contemplative one. I'm going to stop the movement because I'm getting really dizzy right now. And there's this weird Pac-Man, wool Pac-Man. How do you say in English? Knitted? Knitted Pac-Man? Is it knitted? Cousu. I'm not even sure how we say in French. But yeah, that's a really nice word. Good use of the texture to create this knitted pattern. That's really nice. Maybe a little bit more animation would have been cool. Something slow, maybe the wave moving slightly left and right. I don't know. Yeah, really. Oh, sorry. Nice word. Wow, I'm supposed to prepare a new lesson for the alpha phase tonight. I'm not sure I will be able to do it. So design, 5 stars, creativity. Alright, it's part of the design, but I'd say 4 technique. That's not much technique. Although the animation, having the animation of this little guy along the path is interesting. So we put 2 stars. Interaction, we don't have interactions. And theme, yeah, all good. Let's go. So we have our bunny hopes. Done. Oh, we are getting close to the end. Look at that. Nice. All right, next one. I believe this one has sound. Oh. The sound is knitted too. Yeah, true. The texture reminds me of what that PlayStation game. Oh yeah, you're right. I remember that game. I didn't play it, but I remember it. Oh shit. Oh, I feel so bad. I'm not sure what's happening to me. Let's try to finish the reviews quickly. Summoning the narrator. This one is big, by the way. Wait, can I start? We can wait for the narrator. That's weird. Okay, let's start without it. It's probably big sounds. Okay, long... Oh, shit. Then came the Tidebreaker King, the binding shattered, and the roads between the isle drowned beneath his storm.
Now the shrines
Ah,
sleep,
there you go.
the reefs crawl with his brood, and the crown waits for a keeper. You are the wave binder, last keeper of the tide. Wake the shrines and take back the crown.
Oh, sorry, Mio. Okay, there you go. Look at that. That's so good. It's a real game. Okay, let's see. I can do this. Okay. Okay, it's really hard to just like rotate around. And I think the hit area is not exactly what we get. Okay, I think we need to find some objects. I did the beginning already. Clicking doesn't always work. That's a little bit annoying. I need to click multiple times so that it works. Okay, I still have plenty of health, so I'm good. The king breaks the siege. Okay, I think I just need to kill everybody. No, that's something else. Oh, come on. The click is really annoying. Half of the time it just doesn't work. I think it was working nice the first time I tried. Okay, got you. Nice. Okay. I have a new spell, and this one is a lot more powerful, I believe. Come on, I'm clicking! Ah! It's so annoying. Okay, I can't go there. Oh, wait, it's whenever I move the mouse at the same time I click. Okay, that's why. So I need to have a mouse like really steady. Okay, the shrine. Okay, there you go. The shrine is free. Wake it to draw the drowned road. That's really small. I'm reading this text right here. Okay, there you go. Quest complete. Yay! Oh, that was a nice shader. That's cool. Oh, we have nice camera, like cinematic camera. And we get a good transition to see exactly in what direction we are supposed to go. Oh, that's really good. Nice shader on the water, nice shader on the shore. The floor, the shore, whatever. We have the mini-map. Oh, so good. Okay, there you go. Golden Sands. I'm going to zoom in because I can't read. Cleanse the king's brood from Violet Reef. A side road south. Cleanse Golden Sands for spoils. I guess I need to kill everything. Oh, come on, I'm clicking. Oh shit, they hit really hard. Okay, I need to find those. Level up. Okay, what's that? Okay. Oh, there's a chest. There's a nice pushback when we hit the little monster. I'm just playing a little bit more because I didn't go that far the first time I tried. Dunk. There you go. I'm trying to move. Ah, come on. Oh, I clicked so many times. I don't have mana. Okay, I'm good. Ah, I'm sorry. This bug is really annoying when you try to click and it just doesn't work. Okay, I got it. Come on. Okay. Nice.
The waters part and a
Okay.
lost path climbs
And I think we
back
get like a bunch of islands like this, so I'm going to stop so that we can review other projects. Really cool. I love it. Great game. I'm sure there is more to it, by the way. Let's see. Oh, we have some options. New game, main menu. Oh, we can respawn. That's a good idea in case we get stuck. We can mute. Oh, that's all so well done. Nice work. Really, this one is amazing. Design, creativity, technique, interaction, theme. Yeah, all good. Check all the boxes. We did this one, and we're going to do this one. Music. GTA 6 for web page. When are they going to do a GTA 6 for consoles? It's a myth. Is the game really? Does the game really exist? Is it going to be as good as in the trailers? I'm going to play it, that's for sure. He will build a cyberpunk. What do you mean? I don't understand. Nice with Bruno. Guess I must kill everything then. Little Big Planet. Yeah, that's the name. Alright. Next one. Oh shit, already opened it. Ow, my ears. I didn't see the tiger the first time. Oh shit, he's watching me. That's such a weird animation. So odd. Okay, that's a cool landscape. It's a bit weird to be able to see the skybox like this, especially since there are solutions to really have like a infinitely far away skybox. It's all integrated in 3JS. But at least it matches the landscape. The trees looks a bit odd. And the temples, or I'm not sure how you call those. It's a bit odd too. Like, is it automatically generated? Maybe AI generated? Yeah, not very stylized. And that's a cool panorama, but I wouldn't say it's stylized. There's not like a real control over the style and what we expect from stylized. I think there are interactions. Wait, how do I open it? I think I did it by accident early. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit, I clicked too far. Okay, nice. South Gate, the largest of the 4 gates and the main ceremonial entrance to Nam Han San Song. Sorry if I mispronounce. Face toward Seoul, and served as the primary passage for royal procession. Oh, it's getting hard. Trade and civilian civilian traffic throughout the Joseon period. Ah! The mix of English and Korean is really hard. It's weird to have to wait when I click. I have to wait before it opens. And the cross is almost invisible. Looks like the, you know, the ads cross that you can't click with your fat finger. Well, that's nice. That's nice. But unfortunately, it's a bit far away from the theme, and the tiger looks really weird. Very interesting topic, though. Let's see. So, theme, not much. Yeah, I think I will put 2. Interactions, there are a few things to do. So 3. Technique. Not much. Creativity, not much either. Yeah. Sorry, that's not much, but I think it's fair. All right. Yeah, true. We almost missed it in the forest. Billboard trees, yeah. Old school trees. All right, how many do we have left? 6. Nice. We're doing good progress. That was quite a fast stream this time. Mysterious signal received. Signal link established. Traveler from afar. Thank you for answering our call. We are the Isela, the ancient civilization of these planets. By an age-old covenant, whenever ecology is restored, we awaken from the revival tower and step back onto the land. This time is no different. The revival tower preserves all that we are. So we need to find the revival tower, I guess, and hold the system for regestating our bodies. Okay. But long centuries have silenced some facilities. We cannot initiate revival from within. Now the forests have been reborn and the water runs sweep again. Please go for the 4 ecological centers and activate the revival towers here. Your arrival is the external verification the towers await. Help us complete the return once more. Nice. Objective, proceed to Forest Consciousness Tower. And look at that. Well, it's stylized? Lego stylized? That's really cool. We have the mini-map. Okay, I can see my rotation on the mini-map. Oh yeah, look at that. I was testing on my MacBook Pro. It was a little bit like laggy. I mean, there was some stutter. But on the PC, it's really smooth. I like the inertia. Oh yeah, look at that, the little wiggle. Oh yeah, see? Some stutter. I love the animation on the spaceship. Yeah, that's really good. We have the speed lines. Oh wait, left and right. No, you didn't fix it. I don't know if the author is around, but left should go left and right should go right. Right now it's the opposite. I don't know if you guys can't see the keyboard, but I'm pressing the opposite keys. Why would you do that? Am I missing something? Is it some kind of spaceship standards to have like opposite directions? No, I don't think so. Maybe up and down, but not left and right. That's so weird. Hey, big fan of you. Me? Yeah, you notice the inverted left and right too. Yeah, we told him. I'm quite sure we told him on Discord. We love the theme, just not familiar with the controls. Wow, this is really good. Great one. Yeah, this one is amazing. Love the Lego world. See, I was sleeping when the start stream. Sorry, yeah, I always stream like early afternoon, because if I stream in the evening, for me, I'm way too tired and I can't hold like a 3 to 4 hours stream. And in the morning, I try to walk. I don't know if you guys know this expression. It's eat the frog in the morning. You do what you don't want to do and what's hard in the morning. Get rid of it. For me, it's not getting rid of what's hard. It's more doing the hard part when my brain is fresh. I can do math, I can do writing, I can do I don't know, algorithm, whatever, shaders, etc. in the morning. And the further the day goes, and the harder it is. So yeah. So we need to find the towers. Oh, shit. The stutter is really sad. Because the experience is so smooth. And whenever it loads chunks, it's like a huge freeze. Okay, I think we need to get close and activate towers. I'm sorry, I'm going to skip. Oh, activate forest consciousness tower. I have to choose one. Do I have? No, I don't. Okay, did I get one? Proceed to Badlands Consciousness Tower. Okay, it's going to be this one. There's a color, by the way. It's at the top right corner. Yeah. Oh, this one is far. Oh shit, I'm getting dizzy again. Oh, come on. Oh. Sorry, give me 10 seconds. Wow, I felt like vomiting. We need to finish the stream. Okay, there you go. Tack. Tuk. Yeah, sorry, I'm not reading. Proceed to the Desert Consciousness Tower. It's going to be this one. Yeah, I don't think it's related to the projects, but I'm probably getting sick right now. Not a good timing. Well, it's never a good timing. Tuk. The blur, see the blur, like on the top, it's really creating this, how do we call it, a tilt effect. Makes everything look small. I love that that trick. And you don't even have to use a depth blur. You can just blur the whole render. Maybe I should have explained how to do blurring in the post-processing lesson. Yeah. Would have been really nice if when we get to a tower, it transformed, like it terraformed the land. Oh, that would have been super cool. With a nice transition, like a cool shader for the transition. Oh shit, don't puke. Okay. I want to see the end. Oh! Found the bug. Yeah, this one is really cool. I love the style. Tuk. Volcano. End of cycle 6. Planetary 20 years. Tech priority. Blah blah blah. Ecological version complete. Core heat source ready. All 4 ecological center activated. Establishing global tower link. Forest, Badland, Desert, Volcano. Sorry. Oh, I feel so bad. Multiple historical. Oh, I'm gonna skip a little. Oh no! I have to choose. External verifier authorized confirm. Isela civilization new revival sequence ready. Please make your decision. Oh no! Oh come on. Let's be nice. Thank you. Record the cycle will continue. We will sequence initiated. Is it over? I think it stops there. I hope I didn't miss anything, but I need to close because I'm about to throw up. Static UI. You better. Yeah, I don't think I will be able to play Doom tonight. Design was great. Creativity was great. Technique was great. Yeah, we don't care about some long frames here and there. Interactions was great, and the theme was great too. Well, stylized. A Lego theme is not exactly what I would expect from stylized. So I just remove 1 star here. Yeah, but I'm sure others will put good grades. I'm counting on other grades. Get motion sickness more as I get older. No, don't tell me that. But I'm not old. I'm 25 years old. Young, I mean. 25 years young. I used to ride roller coaster and amusement park at amusement park. No, don't tell me that. Deep knowledge, yeah. See, you do math, deep knowledge in the morning. Yeah, learning in the morning is great too. That's the best way. Yes, eat the frog. Morning for me when I am most productive too. True. Best codes, let's go. What about best codes? GTA 5 with subscribe. Build GTA 5 with subscribe. What do you mean? 20 years only. No, I'm not 25 years old. I'm a lot older. Alright, next one. Seeking Awa. Let's go. This one is really good. I remember it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting close. Well, obviously, it's an Avatar theme project. Oh, shit. I clicked too far. Too fast. There is probably sound. Skip intro, no. We start. Carry Awa's light through the roots, reach a glowing synapse, and make Tahilu to kindle the trees. Beware the beast that stalks the dark. So WSSD, jump, run, action, burn with glowing synapse, and strike. Okay. Follow the light. Oh yeah, see? Left and right. That's how you do it. Alright, beam me up. That was a Star Trek reference. Or a young one. Okay, press enter or key to activate the synapse. Oh, look at that. Oh, there was an animation on the roots. Oh, let me see. Oh, that's great. This is great. Look at that. I really like it. Maybe they could have been like a lot bigger so that we can really enjoy the animation. So by the way, there's a beast somewhere. Oh, over there. Okay. There used to be an arrow telling me where I should go. I guess now I'm on my own. Some of them are still glowy. Trees kindled. Oh yeah, by the way, there is some UI at the top. We can change like the camera, what it follows. I'm quite sure I'm supposed to do something. No, I probably should not hit the tree. That's not what Awa wants. Look at that grass. That's a great grass. Ugh. Motion sickness. Ah! Okay, I believe the icon on the top is green, meaning that it's fine. What should I do? Can you guys help me? I'm not sure what I should do right now. Trees kindled. Am I missing something? Oh. Ah, okay, those... I can interact with those. There you go. Maybe... by the way, you guys probably can't see it, but there's a text at the bottom telling me to interact. I think it should be like right in the middle of the screen. Okay, and it activated this one. So it needs to follow a path up to the tree. So if I follow it back, like from the tree, I follow the route. It's a mess. Okay, it should be this one. This one worked. This one didn't work, but I will get it after. Okay, I did this one already. Okay, maybe from this one first? No. Huh. Can't activate this one. Okay, there. And 3. 1, 2. Oh, never mind. We have more nodes. Nice. Oh, look at the planet. Okay, this one looks a little bit weird, this planet. Oh, we have the little, like, flying, I don't know what's the name. Those. Okay, I am 10 out of 20 trees. Wow, it's a bit long. Okay, I activated this one already. I'm going to get destroyed by that beast. Come on, quick. It's coming. Okay, nice. We did this one already. I'm not sure how to connect this one. Okay, there's one hidden here. Okay, that worked. This one too. I really want to poke it. Hiya! Oh wait, this one is not working. Okay, it's over there. 17. We're almost there, so it's a bit long. $18. Okay, those are the last one. The beast is over there, and I think, yeah, the node is right here. Let's not rush it. Yeah, the shape are really nice. Look at the shader, the bloom, grass bloom shader. We're just missing hexagons. Okay, 20. Let's go. What should I do? Should I beat the shit out of the beast or what? Wanna fight? I fight you. But I eat from the back, like a coward. Beast stun. Okay. What should I do now? It doesn't look stun. Oh shit. Oh no. Okay. Am I supposed to do something now? You guys know if I should do something? Let me check the chat. That's not the chat. I think they created it in Unity. That was made in Unity? No, wait. You're talking about something else. Trees hate you. Yeah. I need to play this one. I love a dumb game like this. In 3GS? Oh yeah, absolutely. You can totally do that in 3GS. Of your portfolio, my dream to make. Nice. I'm glad you like the portfolio. By the way, I did some devlog, but you probably saw the devlogs. This Avatar Wars is really great. Yeah, that was really cool. But I might be missing something. You're really 25. Yeah, yes, I'm 25. Yeah, let's say that. Let's say that I'm 25. for 10 more years. Yeah. Ooh, first person. Oh, let's go. That's really good. Look at that. Beast. Sprite. It's a sprite. Okay, good to know. Oh, we can activate the camera. I'm not sure why exactly. Will I get my face on the Navi? Well, I can't because the camera is not available, but you know what? I'm going to allow it. Hand plus head. Yeah, I don't know. It probably waits to recognize the face. So I'm quite sure I'm missing the end game, but I don't know what I should do, so I guess we're going to stop there. But yeah, this one is really good. And there's probably an end game, but I don't know what to do. Lovely. I like it. Very good job. I think everything deserves 5 stars. Okay, I see. Camera controls. Nice. I have make a RPG. You want to make an RPG, but players need creating account on my social network for customized character. Yeah, that's a good idea. This way they start already, and then if they want to customize, they create an account. Your dog is sleeping well. Oh, you can hear the dog? I'm sorry, but I'm not going to wake him up. Yeah, boy is sleeping. He's so tired these days. I don't know if it's the heat or what, but at least he's healthy. So that's what matters. Oh, enter with sound. Look at that. That's so cool. Yeah, I really like it. Maybe using transmission would have been nice. But it would have probably wasted a little bit of the beauty of the low poly environment. I'm talking about Azerty, Bruno. Azerty. Yeah. No. See? Oh, wait. I switched to QWERTY. QWERTY, Bruno. QWERTY. I don't know how to switch back. It's so hard to have 2 keyboards. Transmission. I'm so in pain right now. That's not the best example, but yeah, see? Like this. You can have a blurry version of the transmission quite easily. Just increase the roughness. We have another example. Oh, yeah. I really like that. But I think it would have wasted the beauty of the scene. I don't know, to be tested. And there is a different version, which is just a switch of which one is inside the other one. Yeah, that's really cool. We have grass. Oh, it's baked. I didn't realize. Okay, not everything is baked. Some part of baked, but we can see the shadow of the butterflies. So it's half dynamic, half static. This texture looks like a Voronoi. Yeah, that's really cool. I love this one. Really cool. Design, perfect. Creativity. We have the portal. What else do we have? Yeah, something like that. Technique. Yeah, I'm going to put 4 in creativity, even though I think it's right between the 2, and 3 in the technique, because we get this nice effect and some cooler shader tricks here and there. Interactions. There's not much interaction, although we can switch the the two words, let's say, and it's in the theme. Let's go. The next one. 3 more to go, and I don't feel dizzy anymore, so that's great. Yeah, really cool. I love this one. I love this one because it's really like a very special style. Like the color and the all. Great choice in color. I think the Sobel, yeah, it looks like a Sobel. It would have been nice to have a color on the Sobel so that it's not black. Because the colors of the old world is very specific. It's a very specific palette, and the blackness of the outline is a little bit odd compared to this palette, this color palette. But yeah, there are nice fishes that go inside the wall. Oops. Nice model, nice scene. It's really dense. Yeah, I really like it. Let's see. Oh. Oh, nice. Carp streamers. And that's cool. Aren't supposed to be like suspended to maybe like strings? Oh, we can have more fishes. Okay, don't put too many fishes. Okay, I need to reload. We are at 24 FPS right now. We can control this. Okay, nice. Ah, the famous depth right. And the depth right is changing the shadow. What? Okay, that's odd. Okay, that's the trees. We have something in the sky too. Oh, a nice gradient. Okay, good idea. What else? Post-processing. Yeah, see, I think I like it better without the Sobel. We can deactivate post-processing, so I think it's mostly the Sobel. I don't see anything else on Sobel. I think I like it better without the Sobel. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Drowned. Oh yeah, that's really good. That's a really nice scene. Nice work. Lovely. Design top, creativity 3. It's served by the design. Yeah, technique. There's a little bit of technique here and there with custom shaders, animation, etc. So it's going to be 3. Interactions, we can't interact much, but we have a good debug UI. And it's totally in the theme. Let's go. A guy is still here. Sir, is it true that AI made web dev dead? I wouldn't say dead. And you can use AI to create stuff. Love the pastel color. No, it's not dead, but utilize AI. I think it's less fun, but you can be so productive with AI. That's crazy. Je te les ai envoyés. Ah, Ethan. Bien sûr que je veux savoir. Correct. Give me a moment. Just one moment. Tac. I don't care about the rest. I just want... 10! It's correct, indeed. It's correct. Well, at least, let's see the rest. Oh yeah, you got a good grade. Good job, Ethan. Good job. No. Okay, I think my nephew got his exams. I mean, he succeeded. Nice. Guidance discover way to create variant texture. The rotating sky sphere. Yeah, that's a good idea. When you want to put something in the back, let's talk about it. See what he did there? Let's see. Where is it? Can I zoom out like plenty? No, I can't. Just to add a little bit of variations. Yeah, see that? Like this, you just create a gradient. It looks like it's calculated on the vertex shader, so it's quite performant. Just to have variation in the back. That's a really nice way to avoid having a uniform color in the back. I like to put maybe 1-2 gradients here and there just to have something different. Yeah, it's moving too fast, I think. It's weird when it catches your eye, it's a little bit weird. The foliage is really nice too. I mean, I recognize the technique. I didn't invent it, but I used that technique on my devlog, and I use it to create a see-through effect too. Look at that. Oh. Is my website broken? Oh, there it is. Yeah, see? The see-through. See the foliage? Because it's a SDF texture of the foliage. It's not just like a black and white leaf or void. It's a gradient, so I can control the leaf thickness. It's a little bit too sharp though. See, there's a clear circle. Maybe I could have done something better. I think I tried, but it was expensive in terms of performance. Nice grass. All right. Yeah, really cool project. 2 more projects. Let's go. We're almost done. Oh yeah, look at that style. I love it. It's inspired by... Wait, you mentioned it in the Discord. Would have been nice. Oh wait, there are some credits. These scenes focus on post-processing pipeline inspired by the aesthetic and distinct style French artist Moebius. Yeah, that's it. I always forgot the name. Moebius. However, to interact with the grass or click on areas of interest for a change of colors. Resources. Oh, it's true. Maxime created a nice article on that matter. Yeah. Maxime articles are really good. I even stole the font. I was using Roboto for 3GS Journey, and I noticed that this font is just... It's almost the same font, but better. And I compared the two. This one is Inter. You can have it on Google Font. And it's really like Roboto, but better. So I added to the 3GS Journey. Yeah, those articles are really good. I love tutorials by Maxime. Anyway, so yeah, Moebius, and I think we have interactions. He said, hover to interact with the grass or click on areas of interest for change of color. Oh, you can change the color. How do I close this? Okay, there you go. By the way, guys, if you open something, regardless of how we open it, when we press escape, it has to close it. All right? It's a gamer habit. Do it. And yes, you can test on my portfolio. It's going to work. So yeah, the grass, I mean the tentacles, is interacting with the mouse, and we can click on the sphere to get like a different color. That's really cool. But I would have loved to be able to move around. That would have been so nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Beautiful. Design perfect. Creativity, yes. Technique, yes. Interaction, not much. Although there is the grass and the click, slight camera movement, but I was generous on the other one, so I will stick to 2. And yeah, it's in the theme. Let's go. Scavenger Rain, I can tell. Scavenger Rain? What's that? Color selection in the scene can be tricky. They're rarely true white, black, bounce light, and shadow always have some color. Yeah, true. Very true. The foliage is public asset. Which one? The one from the trees? Making breakdown video on this just for experiment. So what we should learn, TSL or GSL? I would really recommend to learn GSL first, at least the basics, because I'm explaining that in the very first lesson of the TSL course that I'm working on. But in the end, it's going to generate shaders. But it's creating an abstraction layer. You don't really understand what's going on, and you can do mistakes so easily, like huge performance mistake, just because you don't know how it generates the final code. So yeah, definitely I would recommend do at least a little bit of GSL, understand the vertex stage, the fragment stage, how data move from one to the other, what are uniforms, varying attributes, what they imply, how to fetch them and use them. Like it's really crazy. Like if you use, I have a good example. If you use the range, I'm going to pose it. There's a node named range. You decide the range, I don't know, from 0 to 1, I think it's the default value. It's going to generate a different value. Let's say it's for instancing. It's going to generate a different value for each instance between 0 and 1. That's great, you just use it. But without realizing, you just send a huge buffer. If you have, I don't know, like 10,000 instances, you just send a 10,000 big buffer with just using one node. And if you use, I don't know, like 10 range in your shader, you just did that 10 times. So you sent 10 buffers, huge buffers to your shader just by using nodes that you didn't really understand. So it's important to know shaders first before doing TSL. Yet, if you want to jump straight to TSL, have fun and do some mistakes along the way, you can. You can. Mention assez bien. Ah, c'est cool ça. C'est bien déjà la mention. Bien joué. Sorry, I'm talking to my nephew at the same time. Loads super fast too. Yeah, true. So what we should learn. Okay, I answered this one. I'm making breakdown video on this. On what exactly? So it was probably regarding the previous project. AI started a paradigm shift but didn't kill it. Yeah, it's a shift. And it's still shifting. Wait and see, adapt, try to have fun. My main issue, it's the speech I have these days, is that what I enjoy with creativity, first, for me, the difference between art and creativity, art is about well, the output and the artist, while creativity is about the process. For me, that's the difference. I don't know for you, but I enjoy the process more than the output most of the time. And when you use AI, there is no process. I mean, doing prompts, it's not processed. Maybe the AI is having fun creating the project, but we are not having fun creating the project. We don't see how it evolved more than just, oh, I have an idea, and then you ask the AI to implement the idea. And I think my definition of creativity get lost with AI. Like you can't do creativity because there is no more process. And the creative part, the process was the fun part. So that's why I keep doing creative stuff without AI and non-creative stuff. I don't know, I need to implement something, create a software or whatever. Then I use AI because I don't care about the process in that case. So it's kind of my current opinion on the topic right now. I don't know. We are all thinking about it. We need to keep discussing, thinking about it. Yeah. Your creative triangle, craft, how you make it, design, how you sense, see here, smell, taste, feel, and art, what it means. For you, art is what it means. Yeah, and we have a huge problem is that terms, I mean, we all have our own definitions of art and creativity. It's really hard. I don't think my definition is a very common definition. I mean, how I see creativity and art. Jonathan, may become hard to make money. Yeah. But we can still have fun and enjoy the process. Yeah, it's cool to prototype stuff and have quick result, but it's less rewarding than going through the whole process. Also, I'm wondering, I don't think I've seen a lot of client projects, let's say like 3GS, the classic awards website we are doing, mostly built with AIs. Did we? I mean, it has to be possible. Can you make an insane course from basic of GSL? Dude, I already did. It's right there. The chapter for GLSL is huge. It's this one here. Look at that. It's really big and it covers all you need to know. Have a look. Oh, come on. Control A. Control A. Okay, that's it. Control A. Okay. Now I'm in AZERTY. So hard. There you go. But yeah, if you want to learn JSL, you do that. And if you want to learn TSL, which I recommend to do after learning JSL, at least the basics, you don't need to do the whole chapter. But there's a course, an upcoming course. And if you guys want a preview of the course, I have it there. And this is like the biggest lesson ever. Look at the scroll bar. I don't know if you guys can see the scroll bar. Look at that. Look at this tiny, tiny little bar. Yeah, that sounds weird. It's not loading. I think the server is having some issues. Look at that. Yeah, I put all the fundamentals of TSL in one lesson, and then the next lesson. It's kind of a boring lesson since we don't create real projects. All right. But then the next one are about creating more like fun stuff. With physics, with cool effects, with stylized nature stuff, etc. Yeah. I'm quite proud of the upcoming lesson. I hope I'm on target and that students will enjoy it. But yeah, TSL is really fun, but it's so big. It's gonna be fun to keep this TSL page up to date. Ah no, I know. Sunag is already doing some changes. The author of TSL. But hey, that's part of the job. 10 hours, 10 libraries on NPM a month using AI. Yeah, I know. It's the AI noise. It's so noisy. There's so many new things and they get outdated like 1 week later. So noisy. I want to do like a 1 year break and come back when things are settled down. If things get settled down. I'm not going to do a break, but I want to like travel to the future and hopefully it's more calm, less noisy. TypeScript version for Draco encoder. Mini Draco, for example. What I thought, I don't know. Mini Draco. TypeScript version of the Draco encoder. I don't use TypeScript. I never had the use for TypeScript. I did use it when I was working with teams using TypeScript because, well, they wanted to use TypeScript. And I think it makes more sense to use TypeScript when you work with others. But I work almost always alone. So I don't really need it. I like to keep the things as simple as possible. If I were able to just write the 0 and 1s on the memory, I would do it. What are your thoughts of using AI Gen for this kind of library? Small focus purpose? Well, I think it's fine. It's a good idea. That's a perfectly fine idea. I think it's a good use of AI. But the problem is that there will be like 50 developers doing the same thing, pushing all their libraries on NPM. So yeah, a lot of noise. Waiting for the AI bubble to pop. Is it going to pop? There is the expense problem. Like every companies are not profitable. I mean, most companies are AI companies are not profitable. I had a friend of mine gave me a link regarding that. I think I lost it. Where is it? And that's a bubble that should pop at some point. But what pop exactly? Yeah, I lost the link. Too bad. Oh, there it is. Is AI profitable? Yeah, that's an interesting one. There are so much like heads down doing their race. Oh, wait, I need to post again so that everybody can enjoy. Oh, come on, let me select. Oh, fuck you. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's for YouTube. Back. Yeah, see that website? Revenue. spendings, and they're all trying to be the best regardless of the cost. That's a bubble. Yeah, that's a bubble. And this one is going to explode at some point. Yeah, the prices are just unrealistic. It's a race, so they have to be competitive. So they lower the price, lose money, and hopefully win. And when it's going to burst, well, we will see. It's there is no, it's never happened, something like that. So we don't know what's going to happen, but yeah. And there are simple things like Draco where it somehow clear its good simple use case, but then there are also whole physics library now, and that's now includes much more opinions on the code and structure, etc. And so AI is less clear for me there. Oh yeah, and that's for sure. I think there's quite some company already going back from vibe coding to real dev. Or is it? I don't know if it's true. We need numbers. But yeah, I think after a few months, they received the bills and they were like, okay, wait. Maybe we need to slow down, have real developers, and it's going to be a slower process, but less expensive. I've heard that too, but maybe I don't know if it's true. We need numbers. It is very heavily subsidized right now. It will be more expensive later, probably. Yeah, I think so. And at the same time, they are managing to lower the price of the tokens. Sorry if I don't use the exact terms, but they make good AIs for cheaper. Yeah. And the problem is that today they can I don't know, it's always about how smart they are. Like, oh yeah, we made an even smarter AI. And if they come up with a cheaper AI, so it's slightly dumber, but way cheaper, people won't care. That's the issue. It's also our fault. Appeared already. How do you feel about 3GS in relation to AI? Have you noticed an increase of our demand for 3GS? Oh yeah. Every AI developers love 3GS because you can have your AI generated experience run in the browser, which is great. And with just a few days, a few prompts, it's already working. So it's AI, it's great for 3GS. I don't know if we can see some trends somewhere. Do we have NPM graph charts that we could use? I'm sure there is some charts. If some of you can find it, that would be nice. But I think 3GS is booming like crazy thanks to AI. But it's different usage since it's not like good old developers solving problems anymore. It's just AI, and AI. Look at that. I asked Fable 5 to create this cool experience and it took only 5 minutes and 1 prompt. You feel safe about the job market? No, the job market is taking a hit, that's for sure. It's not over. It's not the end, but the market took a hit. Let's face it, we had like a good time, where if you knew basics of 3GS, even like just web, you could get a job. That was crazy. And it lasted for like really long. It was too good, let's face it. So it's bringing us back to the reality right now. Test with user and how good UX works. Is there still a lot to do as a human? But I wonder if, I don't know, if the coding will go away. I don't know. Reality Bible Thump? What's Bible Thump? Yeah, I probably missed some messages, sorry. Let's get back to the reviews. I think we were almost done. Oh yeah, that's the last one. Yay, my favorite one. I mean, I don't have a favorite one. They are all my favorites. But still. Wait, we need to start again. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to restart. Hey there, wandering soul, my melody spirits slipped away into this forest. Will you help me find them and restore my song? No! End of the game. I'm kidding, let's go. Look at that! Can I zoom in? Oh, I can't zoom in. That's yeah, there's a lot of empty space around. And if I, let's see. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Come on, Windows. Oh, that's interesting. The size is always the same. So if I zoom in, yeah, let's go. Okay, that's a bit weird. But the fitting is, I mean, if you have a high resolution, it's a bit weird fit. Look at the reveal. Ah, that's really good. We can see some kind of brush. See right here? Some stripes. The grass is really nice. It's not just like a classic grass, it's really stylized. I think the mushroom is creating some light when we hit it. See, it's kind of red. Okay, those are weird looking trees. At least those ones are not trying to kill me. There's a see-through on the trees. No, look at that, that's crazy. The texture on the rocks is really nice. There's also some kind of Fresnel effect on the rocks. Texture on the character is nice too. It's a bit sad that we can't see his face, but I believe when we start interacting with what's coming up, you will see, oh, the eyes are not at the same height. See? Look, look, look. We can hear the footsteps. I hope you guys can hear. Oh, we can jump. I'm not sure what the jump is for, but we can jump. I think I would not have added the see-through on the rocks. It's a bit weird. We don't know what we are colliding with. What's a detail? And when it's good like this, I have to talk about the details. We have a Fresnel on the trees too. That's cool. And that's a nice character. Look at the style of the character. Okay, let's go. I am Kiri, the spirit of the morning mist. Would you like to listen to my song? No! End of the game. Start. Easy. Is it the... I think we said the Simon game. So it's my game, in a way. And that's why my parents named me like this. I'm kidding, that's my last name. I'm quite sure you guys can hear my dog, right? At the same time. He's snoring like crazy. I am Mickey, the spirit of the old trees. Would you like to listen to my song? Previous one was Kiri, right? I think so. It's so slow. I would have preferred it to be faster. Because I forget. Okay, that was easy. And now you can hear the song. Oh, we can boost too. That's cool. Oh, what? I didn't see this one. You just click one button and bam. This one is a bit weird because we have the dark background. I think it's because of the background. I prefer the night version. Really cool though, and there is a transition. Yeah, see that transition? We need to check the textures. Oh wait, dark mode. Tori, the spirit of the birds, would you like to listen to my song? Yes, absolutely. Oh shit. I might fail. Oh yeah. Shit, I was not focused. Oh, lucky guess. No, I mean, I have a very good memory because I'm not old, right? I'm 25 years old. Thank you, kind stranger. You gathered my melody spirit, and now I can continue my journey with my song. Yay! Oh, it's following the path. Oh, come on. That's so good. Rag free fiber. Yeah, that's me. Thank you for wandering through the forest. I mean, that's crazy. That's so good. Some trees have 4 eyes. Continue, restart. Yay. There's a slight curve too, I believe. So that it kind of looks like a planet. Yeah, that's really cool. Really cool. Nice one. I was going to say something, but I forgot. Anyway. It probably is a planet and loops. Yeah, I don't think it's an actual like sphere. It's probably just adding the assets, I don't know, according to some hash or something like that. It might not even loop. I don't know. Yeah, that's really good. This one is perfect. I believe this kind of true aesthetic beauty is difficult for AI to replace. Oh yeah. Oh no. I'm not worried about this one. Yeah. I'm not worried about you. Antarctica? No way. No way. Yeah, by the way, you can click on those if you want to follow him. So, let's vote. Yeah, not very good. Yeah, not a big fan. What do you think? Mesque. Mesqueme. I like the song. Do you have any guess on how to revealing effects works? Which one? Which one? Like the one on the side? It's a texture. It's he uses the distance from the player and he offset that distance according to a texture. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but that's how I would have done it. Let's see. I don't know if you can access those. Yeah, see? There it is. Is it looping? It's very likely looping. Yeah, see? Dark part. So it's looping textures. Oh. This one is weirdly bright. Would have been worse to just remap the value, maybe. We have the little monsters. That's quite a big texture for such a small model. Oh, we have this one twice. Oh, there are some mistakes. I need to remove some points right there. I'm joking. 5 stars. It's okay, mistakes. But yeah, it's a distance to use the reveal, and then you offset. And you discard the pixels so that it's not rendered. It will be rasterized, but not rendered. And I'm feeling dizzy again. What time is it? Okay, it's not that late. I have to go. Was fun scoring. All right. Thank you for checking the stream. Bye. I feel like it might be a real sphere. You think so? Oh, we need to ask him then. I don't think it's a sphere. I'm finishing a small-ish project. Interested in quick look? Yeah, sure. Send it. Send it in the chat. There is no restriction. You can post links. Is it a video or is it real time? because it looks weirdly blurry. Enter the gallery. Okay, yeah, I think it's real time. That's cool. It's not very smooth. Yeah, see, it's just like moving, stop, moving, stop. Yeah, if it's in 3D, like real-time 3D, you have the opportunity to make it more immersive and have some kind of always moving animation. Like you can move the camera with the cursor so that we have more immersion. We can feel the depth with the parallax effect, and it's more immersive. When I press escape, I want to leave whatever I just opened. Return to main menu. Yeah, navigation is not very natural. And also the style of those buttons, I think it doesn't suit the style of the whole experience. Yes, this button is also a little bit lost about the gallery. Yeah, that's quite a big pop-in. Maybe there's a way to make it fit the content better. The artists, oh, we have all the artists there, and then I guess we can see their work, right? Yeah, I want to be able to move around. That would be nice. I mean, you have like a kind of a museum, an art gallery. Sorry, it's an art gallery. I want to be able to move in that art gallery. Just roam around. Not like the basic navigation, but more like for advanced users, for power users to be able to move around as they wish. That would be nice. But yeah, that's a nice experience. Yeah, that's it. You need to keep it simple, as simple navigation for classic users, but power users will want to be able to just move around so that you really utilize 3D. I joined a bit late, so I was wondering how I can purchase and access the TSL course. When it's live, it will be on the 3GS Journey website. I don't know how I will split it so that we understand that there are 2 courses, but I will figure it out when I do it. But it's going to be on 3GS Journey website. Hello, Low Stamp. Sorry, you just arrived at the end of the stream. We just finished. That was the very last project. It was really good. A really good challenge. Lovely projects, really cool. Love the dark mode too. Yeah, do you have any guess on how the revealing effect? Yeah, we talk about this. I have to go. All right. Okay, I already answered this one, I believe. You get an string. All right, I believe it's kind of true aesthetic beauty. It's difficult for you to replace of this one. This is so cute, amazing work. I'm just catching up with the chat. Sorry. One is super cute, to be honest. When I first saw this project, I knew it would be the champion. Maybe, maybe not. I haven't checked the scores for a while. It's one of my favorites, that's for sure. The Repolish project. I wish I made this project with plan doing a fashion show. Ah, yeah. Feels like a little. It feels like a little prince. I think it should be submitted to the Starlight Class Challenge. Let me see. WebGPU grass field. Show me your grass. Oh yeah. That's a nice grass. Oh, the cinematic effect. Transition between the grass and the floor. It's really wasting, like it's perfect, but you can see the transition of the blade with the floor. It's really hard, by the way. And if you do it wrong, it can cost in terms of performance. Set the mood. Oh, we can change the mood, look at that. That's cool. Oh, shit. Okay. I didn't see this one, I believe. Quality. Cinematic. Okay, I don't see any difference. Balance. Perf. You call that perf? It's looking really good. Would have been nice to add a FPS meter over there. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's super cool. I love it. That's a really nice grass. The shadow is a bit cheap on the text. I do that mistake very often, to be honest. And the font is weird too. Yeah, weird choice over there. I think something thin that reminds of the grass would have been better. Yeah, this font is really weird. Like, it looks like it's different fonts for the letters. Cool. Can we change that? Oops. Oh, wait. Sorry. Give me just a moment. I just need to check something. Ah. Okay. Oh no. I'm doing mistakes. Okay, it's fine. I think I should have submitted this for... Oh, you made that? I mean, you made that? Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yeah, so good. So good, so good, so good. Yeah, I love that trick. The cinematic trick, it works for the web. That's crazy, right? Those big, fat black lines on top of bottom, it works for the web. I think that's such a fun trick to do. I didn't have much opportunity to use it. I know there was one website. Yeah, it was at Immersive Garden where I used this trick. Such a silly trick. Yeah. So good. Cinematic effect. Very stylish, the color amazing. Yeah, we are talking about this. The previous experience, the reveal is very nice. The reveal. Yeah, everybody loved the reveal on the challenge. Any suggestion or example of smooth camera movement on my gallery? I use easing but could use more. Just make it slow, easing, and maybe inertia. Yeah, some inertia maybe could help. I don't know. Maybe it will be too much and people will feel dizzy. But first, rotate the camera with the mouse movement. Do we have... Yeah, see? We have that exactly here. When I move the mouse, it rotates the camera slowly. Just that. This way you feel the depth. You know it's in 3D. It gets more immersive. Just by doing that. Camera movement. That will help. And then you, for the animation, you ease everything. And that will be a good start. Could use the GSAP library. No, quite the opposite. If you use the GSAP, I mean, at least the tools I can think of in GSAP, it will be very clamped, very like linear. It's not linear, but like it follows a track. You can make the speed vary, but it will follow a track. You use MCP in Blender. What's that? Oh, it's when you use AI in Blender? Because I've seen that Claude can be used in Blender. I saw the example, it was really bad. But it's going to get better. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, it was really bad. What I saw was really bad. But got to start somewhere. Oh yeah, okay, I see. Oh yeah, those. Yeah, I understand. Black bears. I tried. I didn't do any WebXR. The question is if I worked with WebXR. I didn't do any client project. I just experimented. I'm not a big fan. Yeah, VR, XR, etc. I'm not a big fan as a user, so I'm having troubles having fun creating stuff using those APIs. And I think that's about it. NVIDIA, wow, the AI is very heavily subsidized right now. Will be more expensive later. Yeah, probably. Unless they manage to cut the price. Because AIs can also get cheaper. But since they are racing for the smartest AI, the trend is not for the cheapest AI, unfortunately. I think there's quite some companies. Yeah, okay, we mentioned that already. Material. I don't think my English improved those past years. So yeah, there's going to be a lot more material. I can't say it anymore. Anyway, well, it's on that nice experience that we are going to end the stream. How long was it? Like 3 hours? Maybe 4 hour stream? Let's see. I have the dashboard here. Yeah, 3 hours and 20 minutes. That was cool. That was a nice stream. Well, glad to have you guys. That was really nice. Don't forget to vote on the, if you're a member of 3GS Journey, vote for the projects. And yeah, I hope you like the projects, and that's about it. Let me see if there are some important messages before we end. I'm super you have to create a structure, but it's turning out to be really interesting. Yeah, and it's going to get better. Really nice. See you next time. All right. Well, that was cool. See you guys. And I'm going to rest a little because I still feel a little bit dizzy, and then start working on the lesson because I need to get more lesson live for the beta testers before they catch up with the I only have 5 lessons live. Yeah, I need to work on that. All right. See you guys. Bye bye.